In this video, I want to show you 3 ways to add narration to your PowerPoint slides. The first way is direct recording, the second from an audio file, and the third from text-to-speech, where you type in something and the computer generates the narration for you. So for direct recording, there are different ways you can do it. One way is to use the slideshow record slideshow option. Another way is to go to insert and click insert audio. When you do that, you get the option of adding from a file or by recording the audio. If I record the audio this way, there's a little record button. Testing, testing, testing. And here's the stop button. Click OK. And now your audio has been put into a little icon here. You can actually move the icon off screen if you don't want it to show on your slides. The problem with recording this way is that this icon by default only plays when you click it. You can preview it here. Testing, testing, testing. But if you want it to play when the slide starts, what you need to do is select the icon and then go over to animations. Click animations and then add an animation to that icon. And the added animation is going to be a play button like that. Testing, testing, testing. Yeah, we want it to start after the previous slide. So I'm going to click after previous, and I think that might be all that we need. Let's try a slideshow to see if it plays. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, so that's how you can add animation using the insert audio file. The second way to add your animation is from a file. And let me get rid of this one. You can create an audio file various ways. You could do it on your smartphone. I'm going to use what's called Audacity. This is a free program that you can download. It's very useful for managing audio files. To record in Audacity, you simply click the record button. Oops, that's not the record button. This one is. This is the record button in Audacity. And then click the yellow button to stop. Now the trace here shows your recording. You can do various things with it, like you could delete part of it, highlight it and delete it, or you could make things a little bit louder by highlighting, do effect, amplify, click OK, and now it's much louder. You can make things fade out. If I wanted to fade out the recording, effect, fade out, and you see it fades it out. But when I'm ready to export the file, do File, Export Audio, and I'll do it to my desktop and I'll call it Audacity MP3. Click Save, and I don't think that's right. Oh, it's okay. Okay, now I have that file. So what I'm going to do for this slide is insert audio from my PC, and it's Audacity.mp3, insert. And it's done the same thing that we did before. It's created the icon. You can this is record button in Audacity. You can hear it fade out that way. Now again, I need to fix this so that it's going to animate to play. This is record button in Audacity. After previous. So now the slideshow from the beginning.
This is record button in Audacity.
Okay, so I deleted part of that. That's why it sounds funny. Now the last type of audio that you can add is from a TTS program. And what I have here, let's see, history. Text-to-speech. Let's take a look at that. Okay, there's a program called TexttoSpeech.org. There's numerous programs on the internet that let you do that. This one just happens to be free, and I generally like things that are .org because it means they're open source and the like. So I'm going to type in some text here. This is some text from TexttoSpeech.org. Okay, only up to 4,000 characters, but I'm sure that'll be plenty for anything that we need. Male US with a Scottish accent. No, I think just male US is fine. Speed, you can change it, faster, slower. Name of audio file, I'll leave it speech, and then I click start, and it gives me my download. So I'm going to download this, save the link as to my desktop, save. Okay, now I'm going to go in here and insert audio on my PC. I think it was called speech.mp3. Insert. And again, if I want it to play from the beginning, animations, add animation, play.
This is some text from TexttoSpeech.org.
Okay, and if I do a slideshow from the beginning, oops, what did I forget to do? I forgot to animations, change this to after previous. Okay, so now slideshow from the beginning.
This is some text from TexttoSpeech.org.
So if you don't have any way of generating audio from a microphone, you could try using text-to-speech. So these are the possibilities. Give them a try, see what you come up with.